out in the darkness, a fugitive running, fallen from God, fallen from grace. God, be my witness, I never shall yield till we come face to face, till we come face to face. He knows his way in the dark. Mine is the way of the Lord. Those who follow the path of the righteous shall have their reward. And if you fall as Lucifer fell, the flame, the sword, stars in your multitudes, scarce to be counted, filling the darkness with order and light. You are the sentinels, silent and sure, keeping watching the night, keeping watching the night. You know your place in the sky, you hold your course and your aim, and each in your season returns and returns, and is always the same. And if you fall as Lucifer fell, you fall in flame. And so it must be, and so it is written on the doorway to paradise, that those who falter and those who fall must pay the price. And Lord, let me find him, that I may see him safe behind bars. I will never rest till then. This I swear by the stars.
Well done, Rhydian. Well done, buddy. Louise, what did you think of Rhydian's performance?
Oh, Rhydian, in comparison to how that sounded at the beginning of the week when you performed it for me, it was a lot better. The phrasing was better, where we worked on, where you were going to take your breaths. The phrasing was a lot better. And you've got a fabulous foundation and a fabulous kind of natural tone, like a musical theatre tone. And it's a great foundation to build on, but we want to start seeing different things from you and start seeing more and more bigger improvements. Your diction is perfect, always lovely, but that timing that I tried to drill into you still wasn't quite there. It was better than it was, but it was still a good bar in front of where it should have been. But like I say, it was slightly better. But I know you said that's a weakness of yours and that you're trying to work on it. So it is just a case of keep listening to the original artists and figuring out in the music where they're coming in and getting used to it in your own brain. But again, I love your voice. I think you've got a lovely voice. I think it's just, you have to continue to work on it and you'll just keep improving. But well done.
Kelly, what did you think?
I really love the sort of rich bassy tones in your voice, and the way that you convey the light and shade. I thought it was like beautifully executed, and you seem so passionate when you sing. You seem to really lose yourself, and I just thought overall it was a really enjoyable performance, and you should be really proud of that. Well done.
Rhydian, yeah, like everyone's here to grow and everyone's here to showcase their talent. Again, I've picked up on it before, but I want to pick up on it again. Like, we do have, for me personally, I think you're a really good theatre singer, and I can see that's your roots. I can see that's where your passion lies. when you come into a process like this, we like to see people challenge yourself a little bit. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to come out and rap or anything like that, but it does mean we want to see you try and put your sound in different places. And there is so many songs that I'm sure the girls can suggest, I can suggest, where you can put this theatre vocal that you've got onto like maybe an acoustic track or a pop track, just to explore a little bit and see if you can learn new things with your voice and new techniques and things like that. But other than that, I think you're great at what you do, I really do. I do feel like I just want to see you relaxed a bit more, because it's different environments. And when you're on a stage in a theatre, I suppose they may tell you to perform this way, sort of thing. When you're in something like this, especially through a video, I just want you to be aware that sometimes if you're like this and there's zero movement apart from the mouth, it can become frozen. And it's almost like we're just watching the video on pause and the only thing is moving is the mouth. So I want you to be aware of that, because I want to see you more relaxed a little bit, like hands out or bars, you know, just let yourself go a little bit in your performance. Don't feel like everything's got to be you. Other than that, I thought this was a step up from last week, so well done. Well done, buddy.